the things. Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. Fly&Ride here. It's Friday night. It's about 45 degrees. And I am just going out for some quick wind therapy. I got the 360 on the left hand side this time. And we're gonna go out and get ourselves some adult beverage. I'm gonna take you with me. And I am using the GoPro Hero 10. My first time using it for filming at night. And it does not have the Gopromax lens yet. It's waiting for a software upgrade, so you're probably going to see a limited view here and a very sort of sharp angle. But I'm going to record it anyway, take you with me, and take you along for the ride. So do me a favor, if you're new to the channel, I'm Fly&Ride, and on this channel I focus on motovlogs, ride videos, ride reviews, all on my 2020 Street Glide CVO sand dune that you see right here. I feature cinematic drone footage flying my DJI MAVIC 2 drone, and I do motovlogs, ride reviews, product reviews, different bikes, but mostly riding my 2020 Street Glide CVO. So do me a favor, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Would love to have you as the channel continues to grow. And remember to hit that like button. It really does help out the channel. And remember to hit that bell notification so you get reminded of future content. Alright, we're gonna stop here. ShopRite Liquors. Little adult beverage, little fireplace just for the evening, and just relax after some wind therapy. I'll be back with you shortly. A little adult beverage here. This is the things, tour packs, and bags were made for. Let's see. Put one in here. Put another one in here. Let's get the GoPro going. Make sure it's on 360. Gotta give you that footage. There we go. She's breathing. A little walk around here for you. That's going to do it for this video. Do me a favor, if you like this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Would love to have you as the channel continues to grow. And remember to hit that bell notification so you're going to be reminded of future content like this one. Thanks for watching.